very good morning to all of you class. Welcome you all in your online class of maths. So students, in the last class we have just discussed the place value in Indian system, how we read large numbers in Indian system. So let us take the example ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. This is ones, tens, this is hundreds, thousands, 1,000, after thousand, ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, 10,000. After 10,000 we have lakh, ones, 1 lakh. Okay. After 1 lakh we have 10 lakh, 10 lakh. After 10 lakh we have crore, 1 crore. And after 1 crore we have 10 crore. Okay. So this is the place value chart in Indian system of numeration. Indian system of numeration. Okay class. So see where we have put comma, ones, tens, hundred. After 100 to separate 100 and 1000 we use comma. After 100 we have 1000 and 10,000. Both these places are of 1000 place. Clear? After 1000 lakh start हो रहे हैं, जहाँ से lakh start हो रहे हैं we put comma. Okay? Lakh, 10 lakh. Both these places are of lakh. Okay? And crore, 10 crore. Clear? Let's take an example of a number. Suppose we have given, okay, and we have to write its number name. We have to write this in number name. So first check the highest place value, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. Both these places are of 1000 place, and after 1000 what comes? Lakh. Okay, once again I am repeating. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. Means this is lakh. This both these are 1000 and 106. So 7 lakh we will write as 7 lakh. How many thousands? 35 thousands. 35,000 and 106. 106. Okay. So this was the number name of the given number. Clear? We write both 1000 at once. मतलब हम 1000 को combine करके number name में write करते हैं. Clear? अगर हमसे place value अलग अलग पूछ रहा है तो place value हम different digits की different. Like if we are asked about place value of this 5, then place value, how will write place value? Place value of this 6 ones. 6 ones means 6 into 1, that means 6. 0 की place value 0, tens. So 0 multiplied by 10 will be 0. We are asked about the place value. Let's discuss the place value of the same number. 735106. Okay. So first we have place value of 6. 6 is at ones place. Ones means 6 multiplied by 1. 0 is at tens place. 0 multiplied by 10. Any number which is multiplied by 10 gives 0. multiplied by 0. Sorry, any number which is multiplied by 0 always gives answer 0. Next we have place value of 1. 1 tens 100. 1 into 100, that means 100. 5,000. That is 5,000. 3 की place value. 1 tens 100,000, 10,000. So 3 multiplied by 10,000. That is 3 times 30,000. How many thousand? 30,000. And 7 multiplied by 1 lakh will be 7 lakh. Okay. So if you are asked about place value, then हम place value अलग अलग digit की अलग अलग बताते हैं. But if you are writing the number name, we combine the lakh place, we combine the thousand place, and then write the number name. Let's take up the example. We have this number and we have to write its number name. Okay. So first, ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. Both these are of thousands place, and this is lakh. Okay. So we will write number name as 9. 9 की place value क्या है? Lakh. 9 lakh 85,000. 85 thousands 100 104. Okay, so we have the number name 9 lakh 85,104. Clear? Next, reverse of this process, that means when we are given the number name, like we are given a number name 2 lakh 42,000 2 lakh 42,907 and we have to write the number in figures. हमें इसके लिए नंबर इन फिगर्स राइट करने हैं. सो यू कैन सी हाईएस्ट प्लेस वैल्यू कहां तक गया है? लैख तक. सबसे पहले हम प्लेसेस बना लेते हैं. 1 tens 100, 1000 10,000 एंड लैख. कोई भी प्लेस मिस नहीं होना चाहिए. क्लियर? हम ऐसे नहीं लिखेंगे 7 lakh 42,907. ओके. फर्स्ट mark the places. Okay. So 7. Which number is at lakh place? 2. Which number is at lakh place? This is lakh. This is 1,000. And this is 100 tens ones. Okay. 2 lakh. How many thousands? 42,000. Means thousands कितने हो जाएंगे? 42,907. 907. Here we have the number 2 lakh. So 2 will be at lakhs place. 42,000. This was 1,000 and this is 10,000. 42,000 means 40 and 2,000. 40,000 means 4 किस प्लेस पे है? 10,000 की प्लेस पे है and 2,000 की प्लेस पे है. Clear? This is 42,907. प्लेसेस मार्क करने से हमें क्या बेनिफिट होता है? अभी हम नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल में देखते हैं. लाइक वी हैव 4 lakh 7,000. 4 lakh 7,707. 707. Clear? And we have to write this as in figures. Okay. So highest place value we have lakh. Mark. 1 tens 100, 1,000 10,000 and lakh. This is lakh. This is 1,000. Both these are number 1,000. 100 tens and ones. Okay. 4 is at lakh place. 4 lakh means 4 की place value क्या है? 4 lakh. 4 lakh 7,000. Only 7,000 means we have two places for the 1,000 ना. This is 1,000 and this is 10,000. And we are given only 7,000. So 7,000 किसी भी place value को हमें blank नहीं छोड़ना है. हम वहां पे जो भी जिस प्लेस पे कोई नंबर नहीं है वहां पे हम 0 पुट करते हैं. ओके, सो वी विल राइट 7,007. अगर हम 70 राइट करते हैं तो द नंबर विल बिकम 70. अगर हम इस तरह से राइट कर दें 7 को पहले और 0 को बाद में, तो ये 70,000 बन जाएगा. हमें तो 7,000 लिखना है ना, और 1000 की दो हमारे पास प्लेसेस है, 1000 की 2 प्लेसेस है. सो वी विल राइट 07. किसी भी प्लेस को हमें ब्लैंक नहीं छोड़ना. हम ऐसे नहीं लिख सकते 4,07,707. दिस इज रॉन्ग. ओके, सो वी विल राइट दिस एज 4,07,000. 7,000 की 2 प्लेसेस थी, इसीलिए हम इसको 07 राइट करेंगे. ओके, किसी भी प्लेस को हमें छोड़ना नहीं है. जिस प्लेस पे कोई डिजिट नहीं है वहां पे हम क्या राइट करते हैं? 0. एंड 707. 7 इज एट 100 प्लेस. नो नंबर इज एट 10 प्लेस. सो 0 and 7. We have 7,04,707. One more example to understand you better. We have 1 lakh and 10. See how we write 1 lakh and 10. You will think 1 lakh, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. प्लेसेस पहले मार्क कर लेते हैं. ओके, अब हमारे पास नंबर कौन कौन से? 1 लाख एंड 10. ओके, सो लाख की प्लेस वैल्यू यहां पर है. दिस इज 10,000 एंड दिस इज 1000. मीन्स बोथ दीज आर ऑफ 1000 प्लेस. 100, tens and ones. 1 लाख मीन्स 1 किस प्लेस पे है? लाख प्लेस पे है. तो हमने 1 को लाख प्लेस पे रख दिया. 1 लाख के बाद सीधे 10 है, तो हमने 10 लिख दिया. तो क्या ये नंबर बनेगा? नो. बाकी जितने रेस्ट प्लेस हैं, देर इज नो नंबर एट 1000 प्लेस, सो वी विल पुट 0 देयर. देर इज नो नंबर एट 100 प्लेस, सो वी विल पुट 0 देयर. ओके, सो द नंबर विल बी 1 लाख एंड 10. मैंने 1 लाख 10 को कैसे राइट करेंगे? दिस वे. ओके, दिस इज 1 लाख 10. क्लियर? मीन्स जिस प्लेस वैल्यू पे हमें कोई नंबर नहीं दिए गए थे वहां पे हमने अपने आप से क्या पुट कर दिया? 0. ओके, मीन्स वी विल पुट 0 एट द प्लेस वेयर नो नंबर इज गिवन. क्लियर? सी वन मोर एग्जाम्पल. 9,90,000 1. We have a number 9,90,000 and 1. Okay, then again mark all the numbers: ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. Okay, so 9 is at lakh place. We have 9 lakh. Okay, how many thousand? 90,000. 1000 की 2 places हैं. This is 1000 and this is 10,000. Okay, 90,000. 90,000 means 90. How 90 is formed? 9 into 10,000 means 9 किस प्लेस पे है? 10,000 की प्लेस पे है. ओके, सो हम 1000 की प्लेस पे क्या पुट करेंगे? 0. तभी तो ये 90 होगा. अगर हम 09 लिख दें तो ये क्या बन जाएगा? 9,000 बन जाएगा. क्लियर? सो 0 को बहुत केयरफुली राइट करना है. 9,90,000 and 1. So there is no number at hundreds place, no number at tens place. So we will put 0 at hundreds and tens place. This is 9,90,000 and 1. If you have any confusion, then you can mark the places first. अगर हम directly number नहीं write कर पा रहे हैं, तो first we will mark the places and then put number to their place value. Okay, in this way your question will get easy for you. Next we have expanded notation. Expanded notation, what is expanded notation? Expanded notation. See what is expanded notation. In the expanded notation, we just write all the digits in the expansion form with their place values. Means we just break all the numbers in their place value. Like we have the number, okay, and we have just to write them in the expanded form. We will write all the numbers with their place value. And expander means ones, this is the ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. Okay, if we ask about place value of this 5, the place value of this 5 is 5, 10,000, that means 50,000. इस 5 की प्लेस वैल्यू क्या हो जाएगी 50,000 प्लस प्लेस वैल्यू ऑफ दिस 4 सेपरेट डिजिट की, अलग अलग डिजिट की, इंडिविजुअली हम राइट करेंगे. ओके, फर्स्ट वी हैव रिटन प्लेस वैल्यू ऑफ 5 प्लस प्लेस वैल्यू ऑफ 4. प्लेस वैल्यू ऑफ 4 इज 4,000. प्लेस वैल्यू ऑफ 4 4,000 प्लस प्लेस वैल्यू ऑफ 3 320 and 1. Okay, so this is the just expanded notation of the number. This is the expanded notation. Take one more example. Clear? We have the number ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. Base value of this 9 is 9 lakh. So we will write 9 lakh. 2 places for 1000 and 3 places for tens. 9 lakh plus place value of 0 0. 10,000 है ना, 0 की place value, but 0 multiplied by 10,000 will be 0 plus place value of this 2. This is 2,000. Ones, tens, 100, 1000. Okay, and place value of this 7 700 plus 1 की place value 10 and 3. Clear? So this is just the expanded notation of the given number. 9 lakh plus 0 and plus 2000 plus 700 plus 10 plus 3. Okay children? So I think you have understood this very well, how to write number in figures, how to write number names, and how to write the numbers in expanded notation. Okay children? So that's all for today. Now your homework for today is solve question 3, 4 of page number we have 11. This is your homework. Okay, just keep maintaining your homework copy. Solve question 3 and 4 of page number 11 in neat and clean handwriting. Okay children, that's all for today. Thank you.